So Brian, let's shift over a little bit because I know a part of Praxis also does lending. What are you guys seeing like in the lending market with the rates being where they are now?
Yeah, that's a great question. I should say that we used to do lending and we sold that company a year ago. And that was an incredible exit. We sold it to a publicly traded company. We did $2 billion in real estate loan originations in for house flippers, small balance commercial, small multifamily, and that sort of stuff. But I am still somewhat involved because we do have a fund now, a debt fund where we're not actually doing lending, but we're buying real estate debt. Actually, what we're doing is we're buying loans from our old company, the one that we sold to the publicly traded company. Now we're buying the loans that we used to be on the other side of the table, originating and selling those loans. Now I'm on this side of the table buying those loans from the same people. So it's an interesting turn of events. But what I am seeing in the debt side is debt's a little harder to come by. I know that when we get exception scenarios, for example, let's say somebody's approaching our former company to ask about borrowing on their multifamily building that they're going to buy and renovate and then refinance out of. Every once in a while, there's something that's not quite in the box about that loan, and they'll come to me to say, if we originate this loan, will you buy it, kind of thing. And I'm looking at a lot of them now and saying no. I want a little bit higher quality areas. There's always that chance that if we get that property back, I don't want some cast off in a really bad area that no, they threw this one overboard because they couldn't get it to work. That's not the deals that we want. We want solid borrowers with solid real estate and good business models. And 3 years ago, it was a lot easier to get those loans than it is now, I think.
Got it. And I think that's what I was referring. I didn't realize the debt fund purchased. I did see the debt fund. I didn't realize that the purchasing from your old company. So you guys do the Fannie and Freddie Mac like model where you buy like after it originates.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, exactly. So they are, and that's how we operated our old company is we originated the loan, and then after we originated it, we sold the debt to a loan buyer. Now we're the loan buyer buying it from the old company. So it's neat to be on the other side of the table.